What up, YouTube? Today is Wednesday, my dudes. So I got a package in the mail and I really want to show you guys that so we can get it on the car and see how it looks. And yeah, let's go from here. Here's the package that came in the mail. It's pretty long. What do you guys think it is? You can literally just pick it up. So it's not too heavy. It's not heavy at all, honestly. So comment down below and see if you get it right or not. Got my handy dandy knife. So here you guys is. I'm gonna go outside and show you the whole thing. Got a lip for the car. Looks alright. Ain't too bad. There's some like all the nasty stuff is like where you're gonna mount it, so you won't see it on the car. Maybe around here you'll see it. I might wrap it in carbon fiber. It would probably look way better than just this kind of like matte black. Let me see if I can put it like next to the bumper and see how it would look. Can't really show you guys how the lip's gonna look without like taking the bumper off, which I'm not gonna take off the bumper. I'm gonna just do everything from the bottom. But pretty much down here we have something like this plastic piece. We have this piece right here in the middle I'm gonna take off, and then on this other side the same thing. So I'm gonna take those off and then go from there. Okay, well, it's gonna be way easier just taking the damn bumper off, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've never taken it off, so I'm gonna do it pretty damn slow. But first step I can see is taking off 6 of these plastic pieces. Okay, well, took off all these tabs, and now notice on the side right here there's gonna be like a little 8mm bolt right here, so I'm pretty sure it's that one and the other. Okay, took it off from this side. So this side I took this one off also, but I still have the inner like fender liner in on this side. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3 plastic clips right here. I'm also have to take out, so I'm gonna do that, and then it should just be all clips from there on. Okay, so you have to take these. I don't think you had to take these off, just had to take these. So it's gonna be 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 like tabs, and then 2 screws. I just had to take those, not these, off. And then everything should just pop right off. Okay, so got the bumper off. It was real easy, actually. I thought it was gonna be harder than that. And so here's the bumper right here. Just getting everything prepped up. If I can get through here, garage is a mess. I got this one long piece in the middle off. If you can see, like, it's supposed to go there. And then this whole piece is like together, which sucks because I need this plastic piece off. So pretty much what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cut it from here, cut that right there, cut here in the middle, and then cut this. So this plastic piece underneath is not showing, but still keeping all this, because that's where all the fog light wiring goes without dragging to the floor. So I'm gonna use this to chop it off. And I also got these side markers off right here, and these I'm gonna use a reference as holes and drill them into the lip, so make my job easier. But now let's get to some cutting. Okay, now let's do some cutting because everything's actually plugged in. So getting everything on, I drilled the 2 side holes. I just need to install them and then go from there. And working on a car, I recommend not doing this in 100-degree heat because it sucks a lot. I'm like dying out here and I'm not even doing much. Like a Mazda on the Mercedes. No, I'm just joking. But it look alright. It look alright. I don't know. You can't really see because of the shade. And then I need to pull this up more. But the side's looking good if you can see the little poke right there. Looks alright. It didn't really fit. So as you can see down here, it's like an inch gap on each side because I wanted it flush, but it didn't work like that. And this thing is pretty cheap. It's like 60 bucks or something. So that's what happens when you cheap out. But I'm liking it. So let me put all the screws on. This is gonna for sure need to be screwed on better on that side, but hope you guys like it. And that's pretty much it. Finally got the lip. Now I just need the hood scoop to make it look A1. I might even get a splitter to install underneath the lip as well, but it might get ripped off on these Texas roads. I'm not too sure because I'm gonna lower the car also, so I'm gonna think about that one. So I don't want to, you know, buy a $200 splitter and then have it just scrape off on the highway or whatever. Then I'm gonna get the rear lips. So I was gonna get the roof spoiler, but I don't think I'm gonna get that anymore. I just want the rear lip and then the hood scoop, the Cork Sport hood scoop, and then the grill, the Bison R grill. And then that's all I want to do with the outside. Other stuff I want to do is get these wrapped black and get the roof wrapped black also. Maybe it might look tacky with the roof black, the rear bumper black too, like the 2013 models. I think it looks cooler. But yeah, hope you guys the video. Next video is gonna be my CPE exhaust install. So hopefully you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you till the next one. Peace.